Hello students, today we are just start from the fourth questions of exercise 6.4. D, E and F respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and C of the triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of the triangle DEF and ABC. Okay, we are given a condition D, E and F. These are the three midpoints of the sides of triangle, that is AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. We need to show that the ratio of the areas of triangle, मतलब कि हमें जो एरिया ट्राइंगल DEF है, ठीक है, उसको हमने रेशियो करना है ABC के, ठीक है, ये हमने एक कंडीशन बतानी है. सो वी आर नॉट ए गिवन ए फिगर, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to draw a figure. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Okay, these are the three midpoints. So join these points. So this is the figure. Okay, we need to show that the area of triangle DEF, the ratio of area of triangle DEF by area triangle ABC. Okay, now we have already done in 9th class the midpoint theorem. We know that by taking in triangle ABC, okay, here this is E and F are the midpoints of, what is the midpoints of E, the midpoints of BC and F is the midpoint of AC respectively. So what is the midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoint of the two sides of the triangles is parallel to the third side of the triangles and equal to half of it. So therefore we can say that EF equal to half of, okay, BC, or in other words EF is parallel to AB, or just we can also say that EF is also parallel to AD, or let it be a 1. Okay, we need to show this ADEF को हमने क्या बनाना है, पैरेलल. अब मैंने क्या किया, ये साइड जो है इसके पैरेलल कर दिए, ठीक है. अब हमें क्या करना है, अगेन बाय यूजिंग, ओके, वी जस्ट बाय मिडपॉइंट थ्योरम, by midpoint theorem. Here one more condition, okay, because D and E are the midpoints of AB and BC respectively. So therefore DE, okay, equal to half of AC and DE is parallel to AC, or we can just say that DE is also parallel to AF. Let it be a 2. Now from first and second, so therefore the quadrilateral ADEF is parallelogram, because what is parallelogram? If both opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, if one or both condition is satisfied, so we can just say that the given quadrature should be a parallelogram. So therefore ADEF is a parallelogram. So you know, let it be a 1, let it be a 2, let it be a 3, let it be a 4. So angle 1 equal to 2, okay, angle 1 equal to opposite sides are the, okay, angle 1 equal to 2. Why? Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So what about this condition? You know, angle 3 equal to 4. Why? Because of corresponding angle. Why it is corresponding angle? Because DF is parallel to, you know, BC. And what about this AB? AB is a transversal. So this is which condition? This is a alternate. Okay, sorry, this is a corresponding angles. Okay, so this is a corresponding angles. Now by taking these triangles, now we need to show that this area of triangle DEF, okay, is the ratio of the triangle ABC. Okay, so by taking this triangle DEF and triangle ABC, now we will both this triangle have similar, okay, So what is the condition? Angle 1 equal to 2. Okay, just proved. We have already proved in here. And what about this? Angle 3 is also angle 4. It is already just proved. So we can just say that the triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, again by AA similarity. Okay, if two triangles are similar, okay, then the ratio of the two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So therefore DEF, area of triangle, by area of triangle ABC equal to DE by AC. This is the corresponding sides, equal to what is the next condition? That is EF is and what about third condition? That is this is EF by AB and DE by AC, and there is one more thing, that is DF by BC. Okay, let it be number third. Why? Because of theorem 6.6, the ratio of the square of the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. This is the theorem. Now you have to write the statement. Okay, now by just taking one of them, area of triangle DEF by area, you have to choose one of them. Just only taking this DEF, DE by AC, so DE equal to half of AC. Okay, this is already proof. Now we have to just substitute the values, AC by this, so this will cancel, AC, this will cancel, 1 by 4. So what is the ratio of area of triangle DEF by AC equal to how many ratio? 1:4. So here this is the proof. It's very easy. Okay, we just start from the step by step. Okay, you just do it step by step. Thank you.